Myself Ansari Safia from Department of Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Now today we have to study differential equation. An equation containing derivatives of function is called as differential equation. The differential equations which involve only one independent variable are called as ordinary differential equation. Those which involve two or more independent variables are called as partial differential equation. Now heat flow equation, that is del square theta is equal to 1 by k curly theta by curly t, where theta is non-steady temperature in a region with no heat sources, or it may be concentration of diffusing substance. Now this is a partial differential equation. Now the quantity K is known as diffusivity. Poisson's equation del square psi is equal to minus rho divided by epsilon 0. It is known that Laplace's equation is homogeneous while Poisson's equation is non-homogeneous due to the term minus rho divided by epsilon 0, where rho is a function of coordinates and epsilon 0 is a constant. If psi is electrostatic potential and rho is density of electric charge, then del square psi is equal to minus rho divided by epsilon 0. If psi represents gravitational potential and rho is matter density, then del square psi is equal to 4 pi g rho. Another equation, the Helmholtz equation, del square psi plus k square psi is equal to 0. Now this equation appears in sound, electromagnetic waves, elastic waves on a vibrating string and etc. Now let us study the terminologies used in differential equation. Now first one is order. Order of an differential equation is the order of highest derivatives it contains. Equation containing dy by dx but no higher derivatives are called first order. Those containing d square x by dt square are called second order. What is degree? Degree is the power of highest derivative after differential equation has been rationalized, that is after fractional power of all derivatives has been removed. For example, d square y by dx square raised to 3 plus dy by dx plus xy square is equal to 0. It is of second order since the power of highest derivative term d square y by dx square is 3, its degree is 3. Another example, d cube y by dx cube plus x dy by dx raised to 3 by 2 plus x square y is equal to 0. Now this equation can be written as x dy by dx raised to 3 by 2 is equal to minus d cube y by dx cube plus x square y. Squaring on both sides, we get x square dy by dx raised to 3 is equal to d cube y by dx cube bracket square plus 2x square y d cube y by dx cube plus x raised to 4 y square. Now rearranging this equation, we get d cube y by dx cube raised to 2 plus 2x square y d cube y by dx cube minus x square dy by dx raised to 3 plus x raised to 4 y square is equal to 0. Now this is equation of third order and second degree. Linearity of differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable and its derivative appear in the first power and no product term of the dependent variable and its derivative occur in the equation. For example, d square y by dt square plus 2 dy by dt plus y is equal to 0. Now this is linear differential equation. Another example, dy by dx raised to 3 plus d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Now this is a non-linear differential equation because the power of dy by dx is. Another examples of non-linear differential equations are y dash is equal to cot y. It is non-linear because of the term cot y. Y dash is equal to 1. It is also not linear because of the product term y dash. Now y dash square is equal to xy. It is also not linear because of the term y dash square. Now homogeneity of differential equation. The differential equation is said to be homogeneous if each term in the given differential equation contains dependent variable or its derivative. If there is one or more terms which doesn't contain the dependent variable or its derivative, the differential equation is said to be non-homogeneous or inhomogeneous differential equation. Now consider the equation d square y by dx square plus 6y dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Now another example, d square y by dx square plus 6 dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x. It is non-homogeneous differential equation because the term sin x doesn't contain dependent variable or its derivative. Now another example, m d square dt square plus r dy by dt plus ky is equal to 0. Now this is linear and homogeneous differential equation of the second order. It is linear as the power of y dy by dt and d square y by dt square is 1. It is homogeneous because each term contains y. Now the degree of above differential equation is 1. Now the example, L d square q by dt square plus r dq by dt plus q by c is equal to 0. Now the order of the given differential equation is 2, degree is 1 and the given equation is linear. Now next equation, d square y by dt square plus omega square y is equal to f0 sin qt. Now the order of above equation is 2, degree is 1. It is linear and non-homogeneous. It is non-homogeneous as it contains f0 sin qt, a term without y or its derivative. Next example, x y double dash plus 4 y dash square plus xy is equal to 0. Now this equation can be written as x d square y by dt square plus 4 dy by dt bracket square plus xy is equal to 0. It is homogeneous, not linear because y dash has power 2. Order of the equation is 2 and degree is 1. Thank you.